Welcome to another audio episode of Environmental Conscience, the education channel regarding our environmental problems and how to solve them. If you want to get notified when new audio lessons are published, please click the subscribe button. In this lecture, we are talking about the pros and cons of international dating. You can also find the related article to the lecture in the video description if you want to study this topic in more detail. International dating has become increasingly popular over the past years. An increasing number of people starts to date people from foreign countries since they feel that they can't find a suitable partner in their home country. Apart from the various advantages of international dating, there are still some issues related to this concept. In this article, the pros and cons of international dating are examined. Advantages of dating foreign partners. You have many options to choose from. One key advantage of international dating is that you can choose from a big variety of different partners. In fact, there are so many different countries on our planet and you will not be able to explore all the different dating markets in a lifetime. Therefore, you can explore many new dating markets over time and your options regarding potential partner are almost unlimited. Hence, if you are a person who needs variety of different mates in order to be happy, chances are that international dating is the way to go for you. International dating can help you explore new cultures. Through international dating, you will also be able to explore many different cultures over time. In fact, through dating people from foreign countries, you will get the opportunity to really see how the family of your partner lives and how different cultures really are all over the world. This is not only quite interesting, it also gives you the opportunity to realize how subjective the social norms we are currently used to really are. Realizing this is extremely important since it makes us much more tolerant. Consequently, dating people from overseas can also help us to expand our overall cultural knowledge, which may in turn lead to an increasing level of tolerance towards minorities in our society. You can expand your horizon through dating partners from foreign countries. Another benefit of international dating is that you can also greatly expand your overall horizon regarding how the world really works. In fact, while we often assume that the reality we live in is the only reality out there, this is in fact a quite flawed perspective on life. We all live in a cultural bubble that consists of several social norms. Everything that is in line with these social norms will be accepted in our culture while everything outside those norms will be considered to be dodgy and unacceptable. However, this is a rather childish attitude towards life since cultural norms are relative and greatly vary across countries. By dating partners from foreign countries, you will soon realize how different their attitudes will be compared what you are used to back home, and this can greatly expand your overall horizon and change your view on the world in general. You can make many trips to foreign countries. Dating people from foreign countries also gives you the opportunity to make many trips to foreign countries. While most people just spend their vacation in foreign countries in order to relax and to unplug from their stressful daily life, you will have a real important purpose for your travels. Moreover, during those trips to foreign countries, you will also have important contacts to locals through your partner and you can really get to know how people in those countries live. In turn, you will also get a better impression what you can expect from your partner in the future and whether you want to continue this kind of relationship or not. Dating people from overseas can make your life more interesting. In general, another upside of foreign dating is that it can simply make your life much more interesting. If you date people at home, it will always look and feel quite similar. You go out to a bar or a restaurant, talk about standard stuff and so on. However, if you date people from overseas, the overall dating experience will be much more interesting since you will never know what to expect from people who grew up in different cultures. Moreover, not only the dating experience may be more interesting, also your overall life will become more interesting in general. For example, you will have to take additional planning efforts if you want to attend foreign countries. You also have to schedule your day in a more efficient manner so that you can communicate with your partner in a foreign country at a certain time of the day that fits both of you. Hence, overall, your life can get much more interesting and diverse if you date a partner from a foreign country compared to dating a partner from your home country. You can try many different foods in foreign countries. By dating people from overseas, you will also get the opportunity to try many different foods over time. For instance, if you travel to the home country of your partner, your mate can show you all the famous local foods and drinks, and you will be surprised how good those foreign dishes can really taste. Moreover, even when you finally come back to your home country, you will have many additional ideas what to cook due to those experiences. Thus, by dating a foreign partner, chances are that you will also be able to expand your culinary knowledge quite a lot over time. You can learn the differences between partners of different nationalities. Another crucial advantage of dating people from abroad is that you can also learn a lot regarding the differences of the dating market in the respective countries. In fact, only if you try many new things and experience the differences between your partners, you will learn what you can expect from your future partners, and you can settle for the best possible deal you can get. In fact, many people in our nowadays society make the mistake of not trying enough different options. They often find a partner early on in their lives and stay together for a long time. Quite often, people even marry the first partner they ever had a relationship with. However, this can be quite harmful for your future life, since you may always feel that you missed out on many other dating options. Therefore, in order to explore as many different options on the dating market as possible, international dating can also help you in this regard. Making new experiences is often a good thing. New experiences let us grow in character. This is not only true for the dating market, but for life in general. Since international dating is an additional opportunity to explore new cultures and to make many new experiences, why should you refrain from it? While not every new experience makes us happy, it can still move us forward in life. Therefore, international dating may also offer you the opportunity to make many new and unknown experiences that may benefit you later on in your life. People may be more welcoming in other parts of the world. Many people also feel quite lost back in their home country. This is often due to the fact that people are not welcoming at all in many parts of our planet. In fact, many people are just focused on making money and do not care about each other too much anymore. However, this is not true for all parts of our planet. In fact, there are countries that still value the concept of taking care of each other. Therefore, if you want to escape your life back home and want to find people who treat you better, dating foreign women may also help you in this context. You will get the incentive to learn a new language. Through dating partners from overseas, you will also have a bigger incentive to learn foreign languages. This can not only be quite interesting, it can also provide you with better job opportunities. Especially if you plan to move abroad at one point in your life, learning the local language will be quite important, and dating a partner from this country can also greatly help you to keep moving forward and to learn the local language pretty soon. You become more independent of the dating market of your country. Another benefit of dating people from overseas is that you can also become much more independent from the local dating market. In fact, people often have a hard time to find a suitable partner in their home country due to various different reasons. Hence, if you are one of those people who struggle to find a partner back home, why not try your luck in foreign countries instead? Bigger variety of potential partners who fit your preferences. In general, you will also have a much bigger pool of potential partners if you date people from many foreign countries. Many people also have certain preferences, and in case they don't find partners who meet those preferences in their home country, those people often look out for partner who fit those criteria in other parts of our planet. Thus, if you haven't found what you are really looking for in your home country, you may want to take a different approach by searching for a suitable soulmate abroad. Good if you are quite fed up with the local dating market. Many people are also just fed up with the local dating market. They are simply tired of getting rejected all the time. They are also tired regarding the general attitude of people towards dating in their country. Hence, if you are just tired of your local dating market and don't have the feeling that you will find a partner who is suitable for you in your home country, you may also go for dating abroad in order to improve your overall chances to find what you are looking for. Disadvantages of dating a person from overseas. International dating can be costly. Although there are many advantages of international dating, this concept also implies serious problems. For instance, one disadvantage of international dating is that it can be quite costly in general. You will have to travel to foreign countries quite often, and those flights will cost plenty of money in the long run. Moreover, if you have found a partner in foreign parts of our planet, you will often also have to pay for his or her flight, since your partner will often have no money to afford the flight on his or her own. Therefore, make sure that you are prepared to spend large sums of money for international dating. Dating a person from overseas can be time-consuming. Another problem of dating people from overseas is that it can be quite time-consuming. Since you often have to travel to foreign countries, you will have to spend plenty of time abroad, and coordinating all those vacations may be quite difficult, especially if you work in a demanding corporate job. Hence, many people also struggle with the time commitment that is implied by dating partners from overseas, and if you currently don't have too much leisure, chances are that international dating is also not suitable for you due to that. Long-distance relationships are rather common. If you date a person from a foreign country, you should also be aware of the fact that you will often have to engage in long-distance relationships. Many times, your partner will not be allowed to stay in your country for an extended period of time and will have to go back to his or her home country pretty soon. Therefore, if you date people from overseas, you will often not see your partner in person on a regular basis. Sure, you can still make video calls. Yet, this is not the same as spending time with your partner in person, and many long-distance relationships will end sooner or later. Consequently, before you decide dating people from foreign countries, make sure that you are also fine with the concept of long-distance relationships and all its advantages and disadvantages. You may also have to finance your mate's family. Especially if you date people from poor parts of our planet, chances are that you will also have to take care of the family of your partner. In fact, in many cultures, it is quite common that the partner who earns much more money financially supports the whole family of the poor partner of the relationship. Therefore, if you are currently on a budget and don't have too much money to spend on your relationship, dating people from foreign countries may also not be the way to go for you. Cultural differences may be too big. Many international relationships also end due to the fact that the cultural differences between partners is simply too big. While many people are able to adapt to smaller cultural differences, most people will experience serious difficulties to adapt in case those differences in culture and social norms become too big. Some people only want to get citizenship in your country. Many people from poor countries all over the world also just search for a partner who can provide a better life for them. They may not actually be interested in you, but rather in what you can do for them. In fact, there are many people out there looking to escape their poor living conditions, and if you are not careful, you will marry one of them. After your spouse got citizenship, he or she may divorce you, and you may even have to pay alimony or child support. Hence, make sure that you are careful regarding whom you want to introduce in your life in order to avoid those unpleasant outcomes. Communication issues are quite common in international dating. International dating also often doesn't work out for people since they are not willing to learn the foreign language of each other. In turn, people in those relationships may have serious communication issues over time, and without proper communication, relationships cannot work out in the long run. Many people don't find what they expect from dating foreign partners. In general, many people also expect far too much when they date people from foreign countries. In fact, every one of us has flaws and nobody is perfect. It doesn't matter where you go in the world, you will never find a perfect mate. Hence, don't be surprised if you engage in international dating and don't find perfection. International dating agencies may be quite dodgy. There are also many international dating agencies out there who specialized on rich foreigners. Quite often, those agencies only want to make money and don't care about you at all. This also implies that most of the time, your chances to actually find a suitable partner will be rather limited, since those agencies may want to keep you as a paying customer for a long time. International dating may ruin your life. In general, you also want to be quite careful when it comes to international dating. Many people have lost everything they had to dodgy international dating agencies or also due to marrying the wrong person who took all their wealth away from them. Hence, before engaging in a serious relationship with a foreign partner, make sure to vet your partner for a long time in order to minimize the risk for horrible outcomes. There may be reasons why you are not successful on the local dating market. Many people also consider dating people abroad as sort of a magic pill that solves all their problems. However, this is not true at all, and also partners in foreign countries can have quite high standards. Hence, if you are currently in a position where you are not able to find a partner in your home country, you will have some work to do in order to make yourself more attractive for potential partners. There might be better options for you to get happy. In fact, if you are currently not able to find a partner in your home country, you should ask yourself why this is the case. Quite often, you are simply not the best version of yourself and you may have to put in some work and improve. This could mean to find a job that pays better, but it can also mean that you go to the gym and lose some weight if you are currently overweight or obese. All this will improve your overall market value and will facilitate the process of finding a partner at home instead of having to rely on partners from foreign countries. Should you date people from foreign countries? From the previous discussion, it has become clear that there are many advantages and disadvantages with dating people from overseas. In my opinion, you should rather work on yourself if you are currently not attracting enough potential partner in your life instead of relying on the partner market of foreign countries. If you like the audio lesson, please give a thumbs up. Moreover, please comment if you have any questions regarding this lecture. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel in order to get notified when future audio lessons are published.